Okay, let's get to work here. It's 6/8. This is video 123, and I'm doing in two pieces. Assignment number 46, basically because of space concerns more than anything else, okay? So I'll do number 1 on the side over here, and then I'll just go up and down and do number 2, okay? And I showed you how to do it, and like I said, a lot of you will work on this next year in your Regents class. And again, the analogy one more time. Let the area of a rectangle equal 24, and let the length equals 8. Well, 8 divided into 24 is 3. 8 times 3 is 24. I'm doing the same thing. It's kind of important to get that into your heads that I'm just doing elementary school math, but instead of using numbers, I'm using algebraic symbols. And I showed you that demonstration the other day of how you could use something like that abstractly. Okay, so now I'm over on the side here, and I'm solving this problem. It's been explained how I came up with 3x minus 8 divided into 6x squared plus 5x minus 56. And we demand in this problem that there be no remainder, as been discussed before. So there's 2x, and that's 6x squared, and there's minus 16x, and then we get 21x minus 56, and you see 21x, and there 3x goes into 21x plus 7 times. I multiply it back, and I get negative 56. This time I got to remember, unlike I did last time, they asked you to find the perimeter. I keep talking about that, but I forget to do that myself. And there's 2x plus 7, two sides that are width or length, either one you want to call it. And I add all the sides together. There are other ways to do it, but this is 14, this is negative 16. This works well enough, and kids always understand it. So the perimeter is 10x minus 2. So there's the math you're supposed to be able to do. Like I said, these are considered the simplest problems, and you were asked to do like a bit of a concept problem here to get the math down. Okay, so now we turn our attention to the second one. Okay, and a lot of kids have trouble here, and like I said, the problem is it's so unforgiving if you make a little mistake. You really have to watch your signs. But here it says 3, 2, 1, x to the 0. There are 4 terms. It's a cubic polynomial with 4 terms. And I'm just dividing linear binomial into that, and I can follow the order of the math as I go here. So x squared times 2x squared is x to the 3rd, and then this is 5x squared. Okay? So there we are. This goes into this, x squared times this is this. Take the opposites, and then you get minus 14x plus 39x. And you can bring down the negative 10 if you want. There's no real advantage to that. 2x goes into negative 14x squared. Gotta watch that. Be very careful about that. Negative 7x times, and I multiply these back. There's the match that I desire, and there's positive 35. Okay? There's the squared. And then I take the opposite here, draw the bar, and you get 4x minus 10, and you can see it works very easily. There's your plus 2. There's your negative 10. There's your 4x. And the check is easy. This times this equals that, as had been previously explained. So there we go. I did 2 of them here. I gave you some practice. In a normal high school setting, you know, you get like 10 or 12 to practice. You had some to do over the weekend. And I'll turn this off now and set up the other 2 problems so that I can do them. Okay?